Hello everyone. Welcome to our video tutorial on how to get computer details. Knowing your computer's specifications and system information can be helpful for troubleshooting, upgrading, or simply understanding its capabilities better. In this video, we'll show you various methods to obtain essential computer details on Windows. So let's get started. Step 1. System information. The first method we'll explore is using the built-in System Information tool on Windows. Open the Start menu or Windows Search, type System Information, and click on the corresponding result to launch the tool. In the System Information window, you'll find a wealth of information, such as your computer's model, manufacturer, processor, RAM, and operating system version. If you need more details about specific components, click on System Summary and Hardware Resources on the left sidebar to expand their details. Step 2. Command Prompt. Our second method involves using the command prompt to get computer details. Press Win+R to open the Run dialog, type CMD, and hit Enter to open the command prompt. Use the following commands to retrieve specific details. System Info. This command will display a comprehensive list of system information. Here you will find the complete CUNLY of your system, including system RAM, hard drive capacity, processor, and many more. Mix CPU. Get Caption to view the processor details. Make Memory Chip. Get Capacity to see the installed RAM capacity. The System Information feature in Windows is a built-in tool that provides users with a comprehensive overview of their computer's hardware and software configuration. It offers detailed information about the system components, operating system, network, and more. This tool is useful for troubleshooting hardware and software issues, checking for driver updates, and understanding the capabilities of your computer. Congratulations! You now know how to get computer details on both Windows and macOS systems. Understanding your computer's specifications is essential for troubleshooting issues, upgrading components, or ensuring compatibility with software requirements. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.